This video tutorial I will explain spliterator method of arrays class which accept long array, start inclusive and end exclusive. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the long array. Then I am calling spliterator method of arrays class and passing long array and start index as 0 which is this position and end index as 3 which is this position. Start index is inclusive and end index is exclusive, and this method returns spliterator for these array elements. Then I am calling try split method of spliterator, and this method returns spliterator that covering some portion of the elements. Then I am displaying spliterator 1 content and spliterator 2 content. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.